Hi, my name is Cindy Castillo with Castillo Law. Today I'd like to talk to you about white-collar terms. It's very important that you talk to your attorney about any terms or conditions in your plea agreement that you might be asked to agree to if you are considering pleading guilty to this type of offense. First off, what are those offenses that you might be asked to have white-collar terms? Usually these are offenses that use the internet. Sometimes it might include identity theft. It may be some type of embezzlement from an employer. It may be fraud or forgery. If you have been asked to agree to white-collar terms, you should consider the following. First off, if you're agreeing to those terms, they will likely require that you reduce or restrict your use of the internet or of the computer. This oftentimes means that a person will lose their job. It is very important to try to negotiate that if possible. Secondly, they normally require that you report this to any employer. This meaning the type of offense that you have been charged with or convicted of. That means any employer that you may seek employment from would know about this charge. This pretty much restricts you from being able to get a job if you are working in an industry where you work with money. The third type of term that you may be asked to agree to is divulging all of your banking information to your probation officer. They may require you to do budgeting with them, give them any information about any of the financial institutions that you work with. Again, this is a very important term that you should consider and that you should speak with your attorney about if you are being asked to have white-collar terms in any plea agreement that you might be considering. Another common requirement that the probation department would ask that you do is to attend financial counseling. They may ask you to do budgeting counseling or cognitive counseling. This, while not invasive, can require a lot of hours out of your time. And so again, you should consider all of these terms before you agree to white-collar terms. Finally, something that may cause some individuals a problem is that you would be restricted on locations that you could go to, places that you could potentially end up in a situation where you would be compromised in committing a similar crime, such as gambling institutions. If you have any questions about the white-collar terms, please feel free to give my office a call. Thank you.